shit.
Yeah, it's it. I think they will.
This bus isn't gonna fit, man.
No, you should let you through.
Oh, you fucker. What are you doing?
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck me, man. Hold on 1 second, hold on. Pause that. Like that.
Another huge pile up. Steven's videoing it. Hey, oh look at the ambulance! Holy shit! Oh my god, the ambulance rolls. Just holy shit. Oh, look at that guy. That's so. Look at this guy. Everyone's just flying. Oh shit. Oh, that guy's got a ladder. He's got a spear. Holy shit. Why don't they have a cop up there? So just slow down. Oh my god, this guy's going 100.
Better speed up, speed up. No way. No way. Oh, here he comes. Watch out. Look out!
He needs to let off the brakes and let the oh shit.
Oh shit! It's gonna be hard!
And we have another one.
A lot of cars coming down the battlefield. I'm with KDK. Alright, it's about 4 o'clock. Yep. Sir, you need to roll the ambulance soon. Oh my goodness. Hey. They need this is a big crowd. This is a lot of cars hitting each other. He is okay.
Just had another accident.
They're coming right now.
Another news crew ends up with a totaled SUV as a driver plows into their unit parked on the shoulder. And before emergency crews can even get to the scene.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You all right? Are you the only one in there?
I'm the only one.
Oh.
Jesus.
Ой, пиздец, зайчик. Все в порядке.
В этом году я только документы вот сейчас им делаю и Ксюхе их засовываю. Тихо, блядь! Охуеть, все, давай, пока. Заебись, вот он выскочил, ты видел это? Прям издалека. Хорошо, что мы очень далеко от него ехали.
Охуеть.
Ебать. Аварии при мне. Вообще в хлам. На красный БМВ пошло. Охренеть.
Ай, бля.
Хуя себе.
Чувак, запись нужна? А? Иди сюда.
Все, чё? Виноват он. Мудак, блядь, ёбаный.
Находящийся в бегах российский бизнесмен Сергей Полонский подал документы для получения израильского гражданства. Вы слушаете информационное радио Вести ФМ.
Е725МХ.
Я думал, блин, тебя ли там зацепило?
Эту малину, да, что дорогая малина.
Ёбаный в рот, а. Ну куда ты едешь?
Вопреки массовым протестам верующих, патриарх ввел григорианский церковный календарь, что спровоцировало раскол. Сторонники юлианского календаря, которые хотели именоваться старостилами,
твою мать!
упорно сопротивлялись и нередко принимали мученическую смерть.
Ты ему хоть объяснил, что такое быть в потоковой системе? Да объяснил. И он сам все прекрасно понимает. Старпом ухмыльнулся. Даже заметил, что Аризона стартовала на маршевых. Антон покосился на стену, и та погасла.
Ты ебаный ты стоста, а! Че, охуевший, что ли?
Я остался лишь запах тела твоего зло. Цветут цветы, я не ты, уже не можем мы сорвать. Терпкая Камчатка, до свидания. Млечный путь искрится, сердце струнами. Мы вернемся песней благодарно.
Девочки-подростки пропали в Красноярске, передает Милислав.
Ебать нахуй!
Unbelievable.
Oh shit, I got all of this shit on camera. Holy shit. Holy.
I want to see time in the car. The fuck?
What?
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Coming up next in America, the president ordered the kill of Osama bin Laden and the accusations that he's sympathizing it. I give my verdict.
Sean. You, Mr. Kingston. Like always, 在深闺那段情，说着安慰，留着有着哗啦啦啦的眼泪，拿着心里不定的在想谁。
What are we doing? Oh, shitty.
He wasn't technically in the train lane. Okay. Were you guys together? Yeah. What's your last name?
Look behind us.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, my God. That just happened?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
I guess it's finally time to bail. I think so, man.
You stupid motherfucker.
Funny, sitting here, it's impossible to tell, really. And I mean, one of the most powerful road cars. Oh, shit.
So if you missed out on this hour's Valentine's Crush.
Francis 89 from Metro, your status?
Jesus criminy. Hey, I gotta go. Truck just rolled over in front of me, man. Alright, later.
He ain't stopping. He ain't stopping. Holy cow, yep.
Oh shit. Yep.
Turn your head to the right. You have a passenger with you. See if you got a passenger. Hey, is he?
Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's off the road. He's off the road. Oh shit. Dude, he's gonna stop right there. Oh, there it is. Oh, got him. Oh, no. Slow down. Okay, go. Stay right on him.
He looks like he's drunk.
Yeah, he's definitely intoxicated. Man, this guy is nuts. He's gonna kill somebody.
Oh my, what the hell?
Stay right on his ass, man. Just stay right here. Careful. He's dead. He's dead. Right now. Oh man, this is it. Okay, back up just a little bit.
Is he drunk?
Back up just a little bit.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. That's Look at that. That's it. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What the hell?
Where are the cars? Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, my God. I want him to crash off the road.
Okay, watch out. I do too. A crash would be the best thing you could happen to him.
Well, learn your lesson.
Chase, quiet. Oh, that's it. That's it. He's going right. That's it right there. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at that. That's head on. Oh, no. Oh, okay, that's good. Goodbye. That's it right there. Slow down. Slow down. Oh my God! Stop!
Oh my God!
Stop!
Completely?
Double your money and make it
And this week brought to you by Mountain Goat Roofing. They just finished roofing the administration building here at Krista, and they can put a new roof on your home too. Find out more at mountaingoatroofing.com.
This wasn't your usual criminal. This was somebody that went into a San Diego tour bus company and applied for a job. And they turned him down. They said, look, you don't have the qualifications. You don't have the experience. So he stole the bus. And I have to tell you, that guy really knew how to drive a bus.
On Los Feliz Boulevard, he's making a U-turn, narrowly missing that light standard. This is a 30,000-pound bus being pursued by highway patrolmen.
Police pursuing the stolen bus know the driver poses a serious threat to the public and to the officers as well.
Very high rate of speed, at times on the wrong side of the road. High rate of speed, there you can see a police helicopter following. There, he's losing control. He's losing control of the bus, sliding sideways, coming up on the curb, narrowly missing a vehicle, now on the wrong side of the road. Very dangerous. Is it over? Is he stopping? Nope, he's backing up.
A Tarragasti Ferrer was charged with and later convicted of grand theft auto, felony evading, assault with a deadly weapon, attempted murder of a police officer, and numerous other traffic violations. Found mentally incompetent, he spent 10 years in a lock-up facility before being released in 2005.
It's carrying the box for Oscar flags. Red D
God, that's funny.
We wanted to say thanks for listening to Big D and Bubba on New Country 102.5 each morning with $1,000 cash. Listen for Big.
Oh my God.
My God.
Can we hold it?
ভাগ্যিস তুমি আগে যাও না গেলে তোমার এই পড়তে
একদম
Hey guys, this gives a new meaning to Built Ford Tough. Yeah.